Designspring is a company that specializes in creating custom designs for various industries, such as graphic design, web design, and branding. They offer their services to businesses and individuals who need professional design solutions. To make money online with Designspring in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Research and understand the design industry. Familiarize yourself with the different design services offered by Designspring and the market demand for these services. This will help you identify which areas you could focus on to make money. Create a professional online presence. Set up a website or a blog showcasing your design skills and knowledge. This will serve as your online portfolio and help you attract potential clients. Learn and enhance your design skills. Improve your design skills by taking online courses, attending workshops, or practicing on various design projects. The better your skills, the more clients you will attract. Register as a Designspring partner. Sign up on the Designspring website to become a partner. This will allow you to access their design tools, templates, and resources, which will help you create high-quality designs for your clients. Network and promote your services. Reach out to potential clients through social media platforms, design forums, and professional networks. You can also collaborate with other designers or businesses to expand your reach. Offer competitive pricing. Research the market rates for design services and set your prices accordingly. Offering competitive pricing will help you attract more clients and make more money. Provide exceptional customer service. Deliver high-quality designs to your clients and ensure they are satisfied with your work. Positive feedback and referrals can help you generate more business. Continuously update your skills and knowledge. Keep up with the latest design trends and technologies to stay relevant in the industry. This will help you maintain a competitive edge and attract more clients. Diversify your income streams. Explore other ways to make money online, such as offering design courses, writing design-related articles, or creating design-related products like templates or stock images. Set realistic financial goals and track your progress. Establish achievable income targets and monitor your progress regularly. This will help you stay motivated and make adjustments if needed. By following these steps, you can make money online with Designspring in 2024 as a beginner and build a successful career in the design industry.